Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. This was actually Thanksgiving Day. So I'm starting by throwing my hair up and then moisturizing my face with the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. Then I'm using the MakeSense Silk Primer and applying this to mostly my T-zone and blending it out. By the way guys, all products will be listed down below as always. Then I'm just applying the Origins eye cream underneath my eyes for some extra moisture. And then going in with the Maybelline 24-hour SuperStay, I think it's called, foundation. I'm mixing two shades because I bought one that is too light for me, so I have to mix it with my summer shade to get my perfect shade right now. And then I'm just blending it out with my damp beauty blender. So for concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, and I'm applying that under my eyes, around my nose, a little bit on my chin and forehead to highlight, and then blending it out with my damp beauty blender. To set everything, I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte Loose Powder and applying that all of the places that I applied my concealer and then blending it out. If you guys have not tried this loose powder and you're looking for an affordable one, this is amazing. I have repurchased it 2 or 3 times now and it has become a favorite of mine. I'm then applying the concealer to my eyelids just to prime them a bit as well, and then popping a little bit of powder on them to set them. And then I'm going in with the Infallible shadow in the color Endless Pearl, I believe it's called, and applying that mostly to the inner third of my eye and keeping it just mostly on my lid. Then going into the Pixi It's Judy Time palette from Target, I am just taking this kind of warm brown shade and working that on the outer third of my eye. I'm then going to be going in with a darker shade from that palette to deepen things up. This one's got a little bit more like purpley tone in it, and then I'm actually going into the 2 bottom shades and mixing them together to get it even darker and a bit more brown. So yeah, I just kind of build it up and blend, blend, blend. Then taking this L'Oreal Voluminous liner, I am creating a very fine cat eye. So I'm just lining the outer third of my lash line and then winging it out a bit. I have no idea why this is called Voluminous because it's like the finest tipped eyeliner like felt pen I've ever used. So I don't know why it's called Voluminous, but I highly recommend it if you create a wing liner or if you like that look and you want to give it a try. I have found this pen to be one of the easiest I've ever used. And then I am just curling my eyelashes and going in with some bronzer. So I'm using the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula and just kind of bronzing up my cheekbones a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with the Butter Blush and apply the blush kind of right over the top, a little bit higher, and focusing it more on the apples of my cheeks. Then taking this Milani highlighter, I'm applying that to the high points of my cheeks and my brow bone. I'm then just filling in my brows with this taupe brow pencil and just kind of drawing in where it's a little bit more sparse and making them look more even, and then setting it with the Rimmel Clear Brow Gel, and then setting my entire face with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. I then like to go over the top and just kind of blend out everything one more time. Just kind of tap with my beauty blender to make sure the setting spray has settled. And then on the outer third of my lashes, I like to apply this Voluminous primer. So I just do that on the outer third and then go over the top of that with the Voluminous Lash Paradise. And then the third mascara I like to use over the top is the Clinique High Impact, and that just really combs them out and sets them. And I like this one because it doesn't crumble onto my cheeks. That's a problem for me, so I apply this one to my top and bottom lashes. Then going back into my Milani highlighter, I'm popping that on the inner corners of my eye. And then for my lips, I'm using the Milani Amore liquid lipstick in the color Honey. You guys have seen me use this time and time again. I can't get enough of this lip color. It's so beautiful. So moving on to hair, I'm using a 1-inch curling iron, I believe, 1 inch, 1 1/4 inch. I'll leave the size and the curling iron I use down below. I'm just splitting my hair into 2 sections after I've combed it out. And this is a new way that I've actually been curling my hair. So I curl it towards the outside or towards the back, and then I pull it straight down. So I'll show you guys a couple more times, but I alternate the curls. So now the second curl will be coming towards my face, as you guys can see. And I curl it all the way up. Once I have all the hair in the curling iron, I pull the curling iron straight down and let the hair slide out. So in doing this, it kind of creates a different look in your curl, and it straightens the end a bit, which I really like, and it makes it look longer without it taking away from your curls, if that makes sense. So I'll just kind of let you guys watch, but I just go back and forth and do that until I get towards the front. So once I get to the front half of my hair, so kind of from like my ear forward, I will curl all the pieces to the back, and I won't alternate anymore. So I'm curling them the same exact way, just making sure that they all go towards the back. So then I'm just running my fingers through it and kind of messing it up a little bit and combing out the curls and making sure it looks good in the back. And then I just finish it off with some hairspray. I'm using the Garnier Vertice hairspray, the volumizing one, and just kind of applying that. So for my outfit, I am wearing this necklace from Tribe Boutique. I will leave all of their info down below. I absolutely love their stuff, and I thought this necklace looked really good with this top and with my outfit. So my top is from Target. It's by Knox Rose. I absolutely love it. It's super comfy, and it's actually great for breastfeeding because it has the buttons. Yes, Bubba. Then I threw this vest over it that I got from TJ Maxx. And my jeans are by the brand Celebrity Pink. I believe I also got those at TJ's. And then my shoes are Dr. Soul's. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you so much, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.